In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. This key fob was used between the years 2008, 2013, and takes one CR2032 battery. It's super easy to do this yourself at home. You don't need to pay anyone to do it. All you need is one of these batteries. I'll leave a link down in the YouTube description to get one on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and then you can just follow along. Okay, look down to where the key ring is, and you can see there's this little separation in the two halves of the key fob. I'm just going to take something like a flathead screwdriver, and coming in right where there's this little indentation here, just right on the corner there, going to start to push and wiggle until it slides in. Okay, once it's in there pretty good, you can just twist the tool like that, and then pull it apart with your fingers. Super easy. This thing may come out, this rubber part with the circuit board. Don't worry, I'll put that back together afterwards. Just going to now get under the battery, push it up until it is free. Now we're going to take a new CR2032 battery, make sure this positive side goes face down, and sliding it in towards this metal component first, getting that in place, and then clicking the other side down is all it takes. Now we just have to put it all back together. Go ahead and position this on top like that until you can feel that it's secure. And now just take the piece of plastic and click it back on top. And that's it, you're all set. Pretty easy, right? And hey, if you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a comment down below or give us a like. And for more guides on changing batteries for key fobs for other makes and models, go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.